Alright guys, welcome back to a new YouTube video, and this is actually a continuation video basically of the previous video. Like you guys saw in the previous video, there was a to be continued because we didn't get the extended top mounts done. But when I left at like 8:30 side, yeah, when I left at that time and I got home here by 11:30, Carl sent me a message. He sent me, "Yay, it's done." So it's done. The extended top mounts both are in. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the clips or the videos of it, but it's fine. You guys will see how it looks when it does come to here by me. And today's video is actually gonna be, we're gonna go to a car meet, and he's gonna make low with the car, of course, plat. So you guys will see that, and you guys will see the outcome of having extended top mounts on the Mark 1. And hopefully, we will get a few beautiful clips because we're going to a car meet, but the area is a bit small, the space of the area. So there's not gonna be a lot of space for, you know, like standing the best way or everything. So yeah, but anyway, we're not going with this car today again. We're leaving this car at home. So yeah, we're gonna swap Carl's wheels on his car because we're shopping actually with a brave mind named Ashwell. He has velocities, not velocities, I mean velos on his car. So we're gonna go to his house, we're gonna swap the wheels. You guys will probably see a clip of that. And then we're gonna swap the wheels, gonna put it in Carl's car, but we're not gonna make low yet because Carl has a stabilizer beam at the bottom. So last time when we had the wheels on, when we made lower with the car was scraping a lot, of course. So yeah, we're gonna make lower, like I said, at the park off, and then you guys will see the outcome of having extended top mounts. Hope you guys enjoy the video. And here comes our Uber. Laat ja, die kaas is nou lekker. But we must all do a few things. But anyway, you guys will see now the next clip. We're gonna change the wheels and alles. Die driver, vars. Alright, so we have my bra's house, me and Cal, at the moment. We are swapping the velos of that Golf, as you guys can see. Golf is time, man. My bra moet nog 'n keer uitsort, but yeah, we move, man, we move. But anyway, yeah, like I said, we're gonna swap the wheels now on the Golf. As you guys can see, it's already lekker low, but not as low as Carl wants it, of course. So we're gonna swap the wheels and then we're gonna see how the fucking's gonna be. Alright, so far we have done all fours on Carl. We're just busy with Ashwell's car still. But as you guys can see, plat. Got it weer lekker. Carlos is up. Now you guys will see when we get to the park, the car will be, you know, much more dropped and everything. But the car looks mooi now. That's the ride height. So with what mask with speed bumps, right? But yeah, hopefully when we get to the park we can make flat and I can show you guys. Alright, mensen, the villa is up. So now we're on our way to the car meet. And we're already scraping. But anyway, we're on our way now. You guys will see in the next clip. As stickers are uit. The main ones.
A few minutes later.
Alright, mensen, at the moment we have a bit of a problem. Carl was just telling me now that he feels like his clutch is about to go and it looks like it just went. So, ons kyk maar nou. Nog 'n nok, mense, nog 'n nok. Ons kap aan.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright, mense, here's the release bearing. Uit mekaar uit. So yeah, at the moment we're now waiting now. We're trying to find out if there's somebody that has a release bearing for us to sort this situation out. But yeah, but kiki mense, this is a part of life. That's all I'm saying. It's a part of life. The car looks mooi, but unfortunately can't see rain. But it's fine. It's a part of life, man. You move. Alright, people, we got help from this one. He's gonna go fetch the release bearing. Die man is at tayo. As you guys can hear, hope we can stay here. The German helps German. But now we are saved at least. So they're gonna help us now.
I'm about to make a name for myself here.
Alright, means Carl is trying to break out this mushroom piece of the release bearing. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. Zoom in a bit there. He's trying to break out the mushroom piece in there. But now, of course, it's not coming out smoothly, so it's fine. But we move, man. As you guys can see, we got help.
That's part of life.
As I done.
You wanna drive a mooi car, you have to suffer the beauty na soos.
Alright, They move. Ja, maar hij is kaal voor jou. Alright, een nieuwe release Barrington. Dank je meneer. Wat was hier bij je? Wat was hier bij je? Alright, nieuwe release Barrington. Alright, dat we die meet uitkomt. Alright mensen, trek op die meet nou. Ja, nice. Ah, zij dan. Ah, zij dan. Ah, zij dan. Kom man, hey panda roller. Staan die mensen. Ja. Als we bij die mensen staan niet zo. Mensen zitten lekker hier zo. Dit is een ander brava mee, Mr. Joshua Hunter, a.k.a. Panda Rolla. Dat karretje lijkt zoet. Mr. Hunter?
Ja.
Iets voor die video?
Thanks. Stone is not a crime. Remove remember that.
Ja, maar die karretje lijkt lekker zoet. But now, here now finally. Een mooie cars. Toys, je moet het altijd. Een paar parked away cars also there. The mensen, yeah, we live. Look at this thing. Oh, dat is nog mooi jong. And of course, there's like altijd Harry's. That's it. Polo's is hier. Wat een main man waar je bent. Flat Chico. Onze video on the video dat waren. And then also of course, the problem child. Altijd hier. Right mensen, ik was even lowering of the car. Busy here, but so far on the other side of the problem. We got a load of cars on this side. We'll wait till the car's fully loaded, we'll see how it comes out. Louder coffee. Verlaat! Aha, jongens. Zij dan. Oh, staan ze vast. Ja, but yeah, the local car begin now to turn it around for the videos of course. But I'm actually flat and the noise. One thing about more one. Hey. That's not what you do. Boys also here. They always in for me. We have a nice Honda here, BMW, black post. Alright mensen, here's the mounting installed. As you guys can see, it is self-made by Mr. Ryan aka Bag Boys. So yeah, this is the outcome of the car, being low. So you guys will see now a nice cinematic video of the car on the ground. good. Everything is still going well. No traffic cops yet. I'm surprised. But yeah, we're still here. The meet is still going on. You guys can see. There's a pit that couldn't come in my car. I mean, I could, but maybe somewhere you guys will see a video of that car again. Where I'm going to a car. I mean, sorry for the lighting and the angle now. But yeah, like I said, the meet is still going on, you guys. What is so? Hier kom die myne man. Meneer Old Spec. Hy sê sy luister. Guys, that's my still feature on the channel, don't worry, but yeah, that's Mr. Old Spec in mine on. Een van die mine ouens van my car channel. You guys will see his car, don't worry. That clean Old Spec.
Best net dichtbij, man. Zet de laatste bij. Dichtbij. Zet de laatste bij. Kijk, man. Daarachter staat de winst. Hij maakt met zijn lauwe controle aan. Bouw op je grootste.
Kom maar Kyle, man.
Kijk, hier maar op.
Kom maar Kyle, man.
Hij is heel dom, maar op je grootste. Auw.
Alright mensen, the meet is over. Everything is over. The meet was nice and everything, but the space was a bit, you know, full. But the meet is over. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I mean, this is gonna be a very like, how can I explain it, like a messed up video basically, because it's everywhere. Videos everywhere. But I really hope you guys enjoy the video. And yeah, until next time.